Hello, my name is Jeff Ingolia. I'm a division chief for the South Placer Fire Protection District. I'm in charge of our fire prevention division, our fire investigations division, and also our facilities. So over the last few years, we've been concerned as rising energy costs have continued to increase. We obviously are a 24/7, 365-day-a-year operation. The cost of doing business is just like it has for everybody else, has increased for us all the way across the board. And energy cost was a big concern for our district to make sure that we could be fiscally responsible for our community. DC Solar came recommended actually from one of our battalion chiefs. He recommended that I get in contact with you guys. We did reach out to a few other companies and spoke with them, but DC Solar kind of stood out. We were very pleased with the presentation that we were given. It was very well done, but at that time we had a chief that's now retired, decided not to move forward with the solar project. Even though it was a no-go at that time, David continued to send me regular emails, check in with me, just kind of kept in touch, just to make sure that we were doing okay and just to see if anything had changed. So I appreciated that consistency. I appreciated that level of care that he was given to our district and the way that he kept checking in with us. It just was confidence inspiring, and when it came time to actually do business, it was not a question. Obviously we reached out and started the whole process for real this time. So working with DC Solar was pretty much a seamless experience. There was a lot of thought given to the setup, the design. That went really very easy for us. We were involved, but basically just kind of in an oversight position. Everything was handled as far as from the permits at the county all the way to the submitting of plans. That went really smooth and streamlined, made it through the process very, very quickly. And then when it came time to actually install the solar, one of the things that impressed me most was the communication between DC Solar and myself, letting me know when crews were going to arrive, what time they were going to be here, what the shifts were going to be, what the plan was as far as what stations were going to be done at what time. Excellent communication. And then when it came time to actually do the work, everything matched up with the communications that we were given. From a consumer standpoint, it was very easy process and something that obviously they did great work. We were pleased with the quality of the work, but also too, my involvement was at a minimum, which, as I stated, being in charge of a lot of different divisions is very welcome, that I could just kind of turn DC Solar loose and let them do their thing.